So hi everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the 5 main data analysis tools that will help you work more efficiently on your data. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to talk about forecasting. Forecasting on your data analysis. I'll show you some tricks. So the first thing you can do is you can highlight the whole data. We have the data for hotel resort business here that has different seasons. We have dates here and we have the revenue collection here. So you can highlight the whole data and then go to Insert tab. Then you can go to Recommended Charts. Then you can pick the first chart and just click OK. You can see on this chart we have the revenue collection. During summer seasons, the revenue goes up. During the winter seasons, the revenue goes down. But let me show you the easiest way to do this using what we call the forecast sheet. So I can just delete this. Then go back here. Then I'll go to Data tab up here. Then I'll go to Forecast Sheet. I'll click on it. Then you can see now our data has been forecasted. We have the future revenue forecasted here, and we have the upper bound and we have the lower bound that is falls within the confidence interval of 95%. Then when you come down here, you can see you have options that you can use to customize your forecasting. Then you just click create. Then here you can see now we have the forecasted. Let me move this up here. Let me move this chart up here so that you can see. So here we have, on this data, we have the forecasted or the future revenue that it has been forecasted here for this. Then here we have our historical revenue, and as you can see, it is here. So that is the first one. Then the second one, I want us to do correlation analysis, and this is very simple. We can see we have different companies here. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in one of the companies here, and for you investing in one company just directly without doing some correlation analysis, you might find that there's a big risk. So with that, we have different dates here and we have different companies here. You want to do correlation analysis to see which company is doing well so that you can put your money there. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing that you do, we will use this data analysis tool here. You will just go up here on the data tab, click on it, then go to this section, click on that. Then we will look for correlation. It's here. You click on that, then click OK. Then once you click on OK, we can come here and the input range, it's from this to this section. So we will highlight the whole of this data, go down up to there like that. Then we can go up. Then our table also has labels. We can also select the output range where we want our data to go here, up here. Then we can click on OK. So once we click on OK, you can see you have different correlations. There's a relationship between the Apple correlations, and as you know, if you have a negative correlation, runs from -1 to +1. So here, if you have a negative correlation, that shows that it's an inverse of that effect. Then here, but we have a positive correlation, so it shows that apple to apple is just 1, but there's also a good significant different correlation between Microsoft and Apple because they are both tech companies. But when you look at Amazon and Exxon, they are different. They have quite low correlation, but it's good. Now that's how you can do correlation analysis using Excel. Then the other one that we will do is what we call descriptive analysis. This is where we have the revenue here, and we also have online ads. We want to see if the revenue collected is affected by the online ads, and for us to do that, we will use what we call descriptive statistics, and we'll just use the same method. We'll go to data up here, then click on data analysis, then we will look for descriptive statistics, then click OK. Then here, the input range will be the whole data that we have here. So you the whole of it like this up to there. Then we have labels on our table. Then output range, we click on that. We go up here. That's where we want our data to be. Then we click OK. So, and now we forgot to put the summary statistics. We click on it, then we click OK. Then our data will come up here. Then we can see we have the mean value, we have the median, we have the mode, and we even have the minimum and maximum values. Then the next thing that I want us to do is the scatter, or what we call the linear regression analysis in Excel. And for us to do that, we will highlight the whole table, click on it, highlight, then go to insert, then you go to this scatter plot, click on it, then click on that. Then as you can see, there's this section that we have ads and we have the revenue collected. Then we can just remove the grid lines from this chart, click on it like that, then it goes. Then the next thing that I want us to do is to add the trend line, and also go ahead and add the equations to this chart. So display the equation and the R squared. Don't worry about this, I'll explain. So when we look at this equation, we have y is equals to 311. That shows that at every increase the increase in ad, it leads to this amount of revenue collected. Then 9237 is just the y-intercept. Then the R squared, it shows 0.69% percent of the revenue collected is explained by the online ads, as we can see. Then lastly, we have what we call multiple regression, and multiple regression is it happens when you have more than one variable, and here we have our revenue as the dependent variable, and these two, newspaper ads and online ads, as our independent variable. So for us to do that, we will perform what we call multiple regression. And to do that, we just go to data tab, go to data analysis up here, then we will look for regression. We click on regression like that, then click OK. Then the Y input range will be the revenue, this one, the whole revenue like this. Then we select up to down here like that. Then the X will be the ads. Go back here, then select the ads, and yes, up to there. Then we have labels, the output, we will put it somewhere here. Click on go up, put it somewhere here. Then yes, then we click on OK. So then we have this data, but our focus here, it will focus on the adjusted R squared, not other just normal R squared. So here we will use this 0.699, which is almost 0.7. And this shows that 0.69% of the revenue collected can be explained by these online ads and newspaper ads, and other important values that you can see from this analysis is the coefficient standards down here. And we can see at the increase of our newspaper ads, it has a negative correlation. And then we can see it is giving us a relationship where it shows that increase in newspaper ads, it leads to decrease in revenue collected, but increase in online ads leads to increase in revenue collected. And that is how you can perform the 5 major main data analysis tools in Excel. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share with your friends. That will prompt me to shoot or make more videos or more magics in Excel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.